Welcome to Kido TV, the ultimate fun zone for kids. Welcome to Kido
I met someone new today. We made friends. At first we didn't know what to say. We made friends. Then you shared your ball and we started to play. We made friends. We made friends. We're sort of alike and we're sort of not. We both like to jump and make faces a lot. We're both the same age and we're both the same size, with different color hair and different color eyes. La 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 la. We made friends.